Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Indian Coast Guard has been attempting to procure 14 twin-engine heavy helicopters since 2012. Due to technical and commercial reasons, this procurement has been delayed for 6 years, and then leak of confidential documents in 2018 has further added to the problem. The Indian government had received anonymous letter alleging corruption. The letter alleged fixing of rupees 2000 crore Airbus deal to sell helicopters to Indian Coast Guard. The Indian Coast Guard's chopper deal was to be signed with Airbus in March 2018 during the visit of French President, but it was suspected that the corruption charges could be one of the reasons behind not getting ahead with it. As per the latest report from Economic Times, Russia, which was one of the participants in this deal, has pulled itself out. Russia has fielded its Kamovka Ka-32A11M helicopter for the competition. The helicopter is all-weather coaxial rotors with maximum takeoff weight of 11 tons. Currently, over 240 Ka-32 has been built, which are in operation in more than 30 countries all over the world. The coaxial rotors give the helicopter a range of important stabilization and maneuverability advantages. Its upgraded version can carry maximum load capacity on external sling to up to 5,300 kgs. With Russia pulling out of the deal, it leaves only one contender for 14 twin-engine heavy helicopter requirement of Indian Coast Guard, which is Airbus H225M from France. It is also 11 metric ton helicopter and has proven its capability and durability in combat conditions and crisis area that include Lebanon, Afghanistan, Chad and Ivory Coast, the Central African Republic, Somalia and Mali, while also supporting NATO-led operations in Libya. It can also be fitted with armament system. It can include guided ammunition with firing through electro-optical system or helmet-mounted side display. It has maximum payload capacity of 5,250 kgs. The helicopter has been used more for military operations than compared to Russian Ka-32A11M and was a better option, but with allegation of corruption charges, its chances are dim. With Airbus under allegation charges and Russia out of the deal, India might have to look out for contenders outside these two ones participating. The only viable and suitable candidate for this deal is Sukhoi S-92 from US. Surprisingly, S-92 was not part of this even though it qualifies for the technical requirement. The Sukhoi S-92 is an American twin-engine medium-lift helicopter and another very reliable and proven platform. Its gross weight is approximately 12,000 kgs. It is available in a 19-seat passenger commercial, a 22-troop utility, and a number of mission-specific configurations, including search and rescue SAR, government and VIP transportation. It is highly likely that India and US will go for intergovernmental deal to procure 14 Sukhoi S-92.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.